I think we both agree that 24-hour stream totally uncurated is a really bad idea because it would be boring and it would probably show a lot of things that people either don't want to see or don't want to show, people don't want to be a part of. But it seems like if we curated this and used it specifically to create a relationship between potential staff that could actually work in these positions, and the companies that we're showcasing, then like there's some value there, and audience engagement is just like pure upside. Like if people like it, that's a extra bonus. So that seems like kind of a good idea.